Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying the monitor's native resolution and refresh rate. This matters because stretching from a non-native mode blurs pixels. Once done, choose a high bandwidth cable like DisplayPort or HDMI 2.0 to avoid signal limits. Make sure to back up your current display profile so you can revert if needed. You'll open your graphics control panel now and locate scaling or custom resolutions. Adjust incrementally rather than jumping to extreme values to observe artifacts. You should now dive into the complex middle steps. Enable GPU scaling or integer scaling to control how pixels are mapped, because the wrong method causes blur or black borders. Once enabled, create a custom resolution and change width/height in small increments of 1 to 5% to stretch proportionally. Make sure to test both full-screen apps and windowed modes. This reveals overscan or aspect mismatch. If your OS and GPU differ, prioritize the GPU control panel for consistent results across applications. You finish by applying the final custom profile and saving it under a clear name so you can switch back instantly. Once applied, calibrate sharpness, contrast, and aspect ratio. This step corrects color shifts and perceived stretching because stretching changes pixel interpolation. Make sure to restart affected apps or the display driver for stable results. If you see artifacts, flicker, or black borders, revert to the backup profile. Try the alternate scaling mode, or reduce the stretch percentage to eliminate interpolation problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.